Jefe coming at you with an H on a 105-degree day in Cypress, Texas, July the 10th. All right, so we're gonna do some palomas by the pool, all right? So we're out here by the pool, trying to stay as cool as we can. So it's like, let's do a killer paloma. So we're gonna try two different tequilas, all right? I think the Socorro, all right, I was gonna tell you, I had my very first one with the Socorro, which is the tequila of the people. You guys have seen many reviews. This is a Blanco. Okay, I think this is gonna be the one, all right? But I thought we'd try the Key as well, which is a platinum. So palomas are easy, all right? So first of all, let's doctor up a glass with some wonderfulness with some a little bit of salt right here. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Salt. Boom. All right. Got some ice. Ice is melting quickly today. I don't know. We'll do three. Three looks good. All right. We had our tequila choice. So for measurement purposes, I'm using a 1.5 ounce glass or shot glass of tequila. This is Texas Lone Star State. All right. See, that's about right for this size of glass. All right, it looks good. Okay, now, so this is hand squeeze. I just hand squeeze this myself. I wash my hands. Hand squeeze grapefruit. Okay, they didn't have any grapefruit. Hand squeeze, so I did it myself. All right, so here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Going a little bit, not bad. All right. Then you want to add club soda. By the way, club soda is hard to find. These are really cute. Look at that Fever Tree Premium club soda. All right, we got our little opener here. We want to do a little splash of club soda. I think that's about right. All right, and we top this sucker off. Put this little lime in here. All right. Thanks all my peeps for subscribing. I noticed I've got some new subscribers. Really appreciate y'all. All right, 105 degrees outside. And let's give it a taste. Okay. Wow, so that's just the right amount of tequila and whatever I put in there, it's I probably did about, I think we can add just a little bit more. Okay? Half a cup. Let's call it a half a cup. I think we just stirred it a little bit. Forgot to stir. Let's stir it a little bit. All right. Beautiful thing. Look at that color. I think that fresh grapefruit juice squeezing is kind of the deal, everybody. Okay. This is a Paloma. All right, Evelyn, this is for you. My digital marketing advisor. All right. A1 Paloma Socorro, 1.5 ounce shot. Dash of the club soda. You probably use maybe just like about maybe a third of that right there, and you're in like Flint. We'll try the Key in a little bit, but for now, Tequila Jefe coming at you with the Paloma Recipe. Everybody can enjoy. All right, out.